Make 2 circles from the same center on the cardboard. The thickness should be more and cut it. Now take a green chart paper and start making lines. You can take the thickness as the scale. Now cut it and fold them. You have to fold it twice so that you get 4 parts over here. Now on these papers we are going to draw a leaf shape. We are going to make 2 big leaves and 2 small leaves like this and cut it. After cutting, you start folding them from the center. Fold all the leaves. Now take your circle and start gluing all the leaves one by one. I am using a hot glue gun. You can use a Fevicol or a Fevistick. Now here we are going to mix match them and place like 1 big leaf and 2-3 small leaves around it. Again take a big leaf and place small leaves around it in a circular shape. Make sure the big leaves don't go too outside. Maintain a same proportion. Process until you're done. After you're done, press them so that they stick properly. Now take your gift box and tie a red ribbon from the center. I am using again hot glue gun. You can use a Fevicol or a Fevistick or a sellotape, whatever you wish to use. Now take your circle and tie a silver ribbon over it. Find a gap where you can fit the knot. Now place it in between. I'm using a hot glue gun to secure it so it doesn't fall. Now take a silver ribbon and tie it around, and that's it. You'll be done. For the second gift wrapping idea, you are going to need 2 googly eyes. Place both the googly eyes with a gap between them. Now we are going to make a big pom-pom. For that you will need a fork and take a wool and start wrapping it around the fork. Once it's big enough, take a piece of wool and insert it from the middle of the fork and tie it around the wool. And then after tying it around, you can remove the wool. If you ain't comfortable doing that, remove the wool and then tie it in between. Now cut both the sides of the wool, the left and the right, and now cut off the axis part. You have to make it in the round shape, a circle shape. So cut the extra parts, make it even from all the sides, and once you are done with that, your pom-pom is going to be ready. Now take your gift box, place it below the 2 googly eyes, place your pom-pom. Now to make its horn, we are going to take a glitter foam sheet. Here you can use a dark brown paper also. Now make this shape as I am showing here and cut it. After cutting, place it above like this and you will be done. Now from the same technique, I have made green and red color pom-poms. Now you have 2 ways to do this. First, make a Christmas tree out of them. I am starting with the red, then green, then red and green. I'm going to make 4 to 5 layers of this and turn it into a Christmas tree. And then the last layer. And you will be done. After arranging with the pen, you can add anything you wish to write, and yes, then you'll be done. Now your second option is to arrange it abstract, so arrange it randomly anyhow you wish to, and then glue it with the help of a Fevicol, hot glue gun or a Fevistick, and you will be done with the second pattern. For the last one, again take a green paper and make lines. The width can be approximately 6 to 7 centimeters. Cut it. Now fold it up to down and then from right to left. Make sure all the openings are at one end, otherwise you will end up getting 4 pieces instead of 2. Now we are going to make Christmas tree like these, one small and one big, like that, 2 small Christmas trees. Now repeat it on the other 2 folded papers also. So you will have 2 big Christmas trees and 2 small ones. After drawing, cut it out. After cutting, it will be like this. Now what you have to do is take the 2 similar pieces and glue one side of it. Now before gluing, I would suggest you to take your box and write Merry Christmas on it, or any other phrase you would like to write. After writing, take your Christmas tree pieces and start gluing them. I am using a hot glue gun. You can use any other options also. Glue it as I am showing here, all the 4 pieces. Now take your 2 big Christmas trees and keep gap for the 2 small Christmas trees, but paste first the 2 big ones like this. Now in the gaps, apply the 2 small Christmas trees and you will be done. Thank you for watching.